Can you guys hear that bug? What the heck is that? You know, you need to take a rest when your heart is like gonna pump out your chest. That's when you sit down, have some candies, drink a water, maybe some of the cookies you brought. Wow! This is pretty amazing. Oh, it's so pretty. Hi guys, welcome to our first adventure in Bali. Can you believe it? I have to pinch myself. I've wanted to come to Bali for I don't know how long. So we are finally here. Yay! We've been here for about 7 days, so we've been just kind of like settling into the ubud vibe. And yesterday we got a scooter, so we are just gonna explore and have our very first adventure here in Bali. So of course our very first adventure involved stairs. 500 of them, just over 500 of them one way. So here we go. So this time when we go on this hike, we're prepared. We brought candy, because that's important, and water, number one importance, and cookies, you know, just in case we get a little snacky. So right now we are making the descent down, and it's, like I said earlier, about 500 stairs. I think it's like 506 or 509. But everybody we pass coming up looks miserable. So I'm not really looking forward to the ascent back up. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Wow! This is pretty amazing. Ooh, it's so pretty! This waterfall is absolutely beautiful. We are at NungNung waterfall and it is really misty and really slick here. So there's lots of people like going into the water, and this is rainy season right now and there's no way I would get into the water here. It's very dangerous. The water is flowing very fast and you have no idea what's coming over the top. So I don't know if it was the nurse in me, but I was having heart palpitations watching people get into that water. Whew. Okay, so we have started the ascent and I'm not looking forward to it, but here we go. We made it to the first rest stop, not to the top. Time to have a drink, a candy, and get refueled. Break number 2, done. Here we go again. We can finally see the top. Can you guys hear that bug? What the heck is that? This is definitely Mother Nature's gym, for sure. You know, you need to take a rest when your heart is like gonna pump out your chest. That's when you sit down, have some candies, drink a water, maybe some of the cookies you brought. Water? And cookie. Much needed. I got a little baby here. Hi, baby. Baby. Driving away from the waterfall, we stopped for lunch at this wonderful place. Oh, it's starting to rain now. It has rained every day here since we've been here, like torrential downpours at night. Anyways, lunch. So we've been eating lunch in Ubud this whole time for the 7 days. So we ate lunch at this little place just along the road here, and Jay and I both had chicken fried rice. His was a little spicy, mine no spicy. And he had an iced coffee, and guys, it was $1.97. $1.97. I can't believe it. So if you get a chance to come to Ubud, get on a scooter and come out of town and come to this little place. Good food, and the lady that was here serving us, she is super sweet, super nice, so definitely a thumbs up for sure. So we made it to one of the famous rice terraces here, and it is absolutely stunning. The weather looks like it's gonna just let loose and just downpour at any second, but it is very, very pretty. It cost 10,000 rupiah each for us to come in, so it was like $1 each, so 20,000 rupiah. The money, we're still trying to get used to the money because the denominations are so large. But yeah, it is very pretty here and definitely worth the 20,000 rupiah. But it is sad to say that it's very commercialized. They have your Instagram swings, they have cafes, they have little grass hearts that you can take your pictures in. It's absolutely beautiful and definitely worth coming to see the rice terraces. They're stunning. we just stopped at Kawi to have a much needed beverage and a little pizza late lunch, and it had a beautiful pool, great views, and just a relaxing atmosphere. If you wanted to take a dip, it would have been beautiful if it was hot out. It's warm out today, but the clouds are rolling in and it's kind of been on and off, spitting and big thunder. So we didn't swim, unfortunately, but this place is not far from where we're staying, so we may make a trek back here. I really hope you liked our video today. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe because there will be a lot more coming from Bali. Bye guys.